How to make garlic honey to fight respiratory illnesses. Respiratory diseases are common during winter and generally appear because of a weakened immune system. They attack everyone, regardless of age, but the most affected individuals are children under the age of 5 and adults over the age of 65. Most cases are caused by various bacterial or viral infections that can't be stopped by antibodies. Consequently, individuals experience difficulty breathing normally, along with other uncomfortable symptoms that make you feel ill. Treatment depends on what caused each episode, and how it evolves over time. But there are some natural solutions that, because of their medicinal properties, can treat almost all conditions that threaten this system. So today we'd like to share with you a 100 organic product that can be made at home, garlic honey. Its active compounds clean the respiratory tract and strengthen the body's defenses for speedy recovery. Let's take a look. Garlic honey for fighting respiratory diseases. Both honey and garlic have been listed as the biggest gifts that nature has given us for human health. Their active compounds and important nutrients revitalize the body and prevent serious disorders from developing. We still currently don't know who the first people were to combine these two ingredients into a remedy for several conditions. Some people assert that this is a treatment from traditional Chinese medicine, but it is also believed to have been part of Egyptian culture. But one thing is for sure, it is now a very valued remedy all around the world, not only because it is naturally derived, but because its effects have been proven. Garlic's properties. Garlic is a condiment that is generally used to add more flavor to dishes. But beyond its culinary uses, it is a powerful natural remedy that has been used throughout history for its properties. It has been proven to act as an excellent stimulant and expectorant, which is perfect for opening obstructed respiratory tracts. The primary active compound is allicin, which has an anti-inflammatory effect that alleviates throat pain, sinusitis, and other symptoms involving lung problems. It continues to be one of the best antibiotics, and it has been shown to be more effective than some pharmaceuticals which are used for the same purpose. It is also believed to have digestive and anti-carcinogenic properties, which could be a key in caring for health. Regarding the respiratory tract, garlic is used to treat coughs, control asthma, fight bronchitis, treat tuberculosis, alleviate the flu and colds, prevent allergies. We should also mention that it is a great natural source of fiber, sugar, protein, vitamins A, C and E, minerals, calcium, iron, potassium and magnesium. Properties of honey. Honey is a 100 natural product that is made by bees belonging to the genus Apis mellifera. They do this by using nectar from flowers. It plays an important role in alternative medicine and is considered to be an excellent source of nutrition. A lot of people value it for the energy it provides, which is derived from the sugars in it, between 70 and 80. It is also a powerful source of antioxidants and antibiotic substances that protect lung health and the entire respiratory system. This ingredient provides significant quantities of vitamins B and C, folic acid, lactic acid, phosphoric acid, minerals, phosphorus, calcium, magnesium, silicon, iron. How to prepare garlic honey. This garlic honey remedy can be prepared to fight the symptoms that come along with respiratory illnesses, but you can also make it to prevent them. If you continually take it, you will strengthen your defenses to prevent viral or bacterial attacks. Ingredients: 3 heads of garlic, 1 c. organic honey, 335 grams, 1 sterilized glass jar. Instructions: cut the garlic cloves into several slices or pieces, and place them in the glass jar. Add the honey to the garlic and store in a cool, dark place. Steep for 1 week, then you can start to consume it. As a preventative, take 1 teaspoon before breakfast. If you want to treat an illness, take up to a maximum of 5 tablespoons a day, for 7 days. Use for colds and the flu, respiratory congestion, fever and chills, dry, productive cough, infections. Have you tried this incredible remedy? If you still haven't benefited from these health-boosting properties, try it now and start taking it.